I'm Jennifer with Red Portland Homes. I'm here at 30126 Northwest Stewart Lane in North Plains to show you the place today. This is a beautiful 3-bed, 2.5 bath place. Come on in. So we're in a really good location here. We're really close to the freeway. All right, let's take a look inside. You want to check out the nice wood floors, wood-like floors. And then this is going to be the living area over here. You have a gas fireplace and some built-in shelving. The kitchen over here. So let's take a look at the garage. You've got a 2-car garage, lots of space here. And you're going to find that this house has a lot of storage closets. There's your first closet here. There's a half bath near the entry here. Just coming back to the kitchen. Some beautiful appliances. We've got a refrigerator, a nice gas stove, microwave built in, dishwasher, gorgeous countertops. This is a nice area where you could put some stools. Coming to the back side of the living room, you've got a sliding door. It's going to take you out to your own fenced-in private patio. And you can see there are no neighbors in the back. It's nice and private. Let's take a look at the bedrooms upstairs. It's got this nice open space in the hallway. A couple of bedrooms over here I'll have you take a look at. You get a lot of natural light coming in through the windows here. It's a second bedroom over here. Coming back into the hall, you have the full bathroom. So you have some storage space here in the closet. I really love the design that they used here on the counters. And the master is just at the end of the hall. We do have a laundry room. There's a full-size washer and dryer included. And there's a big storage closet in here as well. The master bedroom features these nice double doors. And a full-size bathroom. You get a really nice view out this window too from the side. Here's the bathroom. A lot of countertop space here. And then my favorite feature of this room is the giant walk-in closet. Just picture all my clothes in here. And then on the next level, we actually have a bonus room. That's going to be like a bonus living area. Really spacious. All right, let's take a look. See, I'm sure you can imagine a lot of uses for this space. All right, well, thanks for taking a look at the place with me today. If you wanted to take a look at this place or any of our others, you can call me at 503-443-9331. Bye.